Photoshop comes with a tool that can be helpful. Now, if some of you are working in an older version of Photoshop, you might see a panel called Mini Bridge, and you may find it when you go under Window and into these areas up here, you might see a Mini Bridge. The newer versions, it actually is gone, but you still have a bridge program, and I just wanted to share quickly what you can do with that. So actually, let me go to my programs here and find it. So I'll open Bridge. It's called Adobe Bridge, BR, a little icon for it. So what this is more of a file management type tool. This is great for photographers who want to flag pictures, who want to do some ratings on pictures. You know, what I use it for is if I'm trying to open up a file and they're all saved as, say, an Illustrator file or all saved as a Photoshop file. It's kind of hard to see the preview of it. So if I go into Bridge, I see the preview of it. I do want to point out there you can mess around with this. Of course, you can locate your favorites. You can go to folders. You can do all kinds of searches, like I said, in here. Your preview workplace set to essentials. What's super cool about this, especially for those that deal with photography a lot, is that depending on what the camera metadata can store, you will get all of that and see it. It'll tell me though my ISO and my f-stop, which is pretty cool. Here's where the f-stop on the camera was at 5.6. Gives me a shutter speed, gives me an ISO, and then it also tells me the document size. So here, document JPEG, date created, dimensions, dimensions in pixels, file size. So you get a whole bunch of information. Now some of the other, I can tell it was taken with the Canon, some and the body number, the serial number of the camera. If you have a high-end camera, you can go in here and actually some cameras store GPS locations, which is really kind of fun too. So anyway, this is just organization tool. Just wanted to point it out, whether you use it or not.